In this video we will learn to fix YouTube error 501. So let's begin. So to fix YouTube error 501 while installation, what you can do is just go and open your browser on mobile. I'm opening Google Chrome and here search for YouTube APK download. And here just go and tap on this link. I will provide this link in the description, so you can just go and tap on it to open the link. So just go and tap on it, and here tap on download APK, and here tap on download from secure servers. Okay, and the download will start. Meanwhile, what you can do is just go and open your mobile settings. Here scroll down below and go to security. Here it is, security, so just go and tap on it. And here just scroll down below, and here just go and on this unknown sources. So just go and on it, allow it. Once you have done so, just go and wait for the download to complete. I will be back when the download has finished. So here the download is completed, so just go and tap on it to install it. So just go and tap on it to install it. Once the installation is complete, hope by doing so your issue will be resolved. But before you go, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.